She's stuck on a rope. That's karma for you. Qualquer coisa pode acontecer. Muito bom.
Já começou errado. Esse cara Shri Krishna.
South Carolina.
É, daqui a pouquinho.
Mas nem perto.
Tiago, venda pra voltar. Pega aqui as revistas, por favor, pra eu tirar esse carrinho.
Tá aí
as
as
revistas.
Uau.
Já fiz.
Foi?
Eu vou tirar esse carrinho. Senão...
Fome com fome.
Obrigada. Ah. Ô, Cripa, você tá fazendo aí? Govinho, vai na frente. Não quer encerrar? Vem. Quem que vai cara? Oi? Ih, meu Deus. Ele vai entregar.
Oh, all we have our here. All our devotees here.
Não dá pra ver. Será que ele faça? Devo aqui, vai.
Good. Huh? Oh, has my another bag. Yeah.
There in the U.S. also the inauguration of a new temple there in the United States.
Where?
You're going to do inauguration of new temple there also?
USA.
Yeah.
I think.
No?
Who told you?
No, I believe that I had saw on the internet the Bhakti Chakura ashram there.
Oh, it's in
Seattle.
Seattle.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's going on?
Huh? That is already the last time I came. I saw the video.
Oh.
Alilananda camera.
Não tem mais. deixa assim.
Deixa assim.
Deixa pra não pegar a câmera.
9:15 already, no? So what time will you go?
10:25.
Huh?
10:25 is the boarding.
Boarding. So what time you go inside? Why Krishna बोल रहा हूँ?
I think 10 Maharaj.
हाँ?
There is fixing.
हाँ?
11:15 is the departure.
Now
So
9:45. Máximo 9:30.
not current seat, no? 9:45. Yeah, 40 to 10. Now it's 9.
Who has question?
Gurudev, what form do Gaudiya Vaishnavas worship Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Because when we see Mahaprabhu in the altar with Radha and Krishna, he has a specific form. He has long hair. He doesn't have sannyasi clothes. So what is the form Gaudiya Vaishnavas worship?
Because first to understand, Navadvip Dham is non-different from Vrindavan Dham. We worship that because Navadvip Chandra Krishna. And we maybe they will just
Very, very.
we worship Navadvip Krishna. Because Krishna Lila and Gaur Lila simultaneously is going. Krishna Lila that is in Vrindavan Dham, or Gaur Lila that is called Siddhadip. Gaur Lila and Krishna Lila both are just a subside, meaning Paripura. Gaur Dham and Vrindavan Dham. So Vrindavan Krishna, that is called, the Krishnas again two types of Lila. One is called Nitya Lila and one is called Naimittik Lila. Nitya Lila Krishna always staying in Vrindavan. Vrindavan. Vrindavanam parityajyam padam ekam na gacchati. Krishna says, never I left one step from Vrindavan. Always I am staying in Vrindavan. And in the same way, Mahaprabhu's Leela also two types of Leela. One is called Nitya Leela and one is called Naimittik Leela. So Nitya Leela, Mahaprabhu always take in Navadvip Dham. Then because Navadvip Dham is called non-different from Vrindavan. Naimittik Leela, that is called Krishna. He goes to Vrindavan to Mathura, Mathura to Dwarka, etc. But origin Govind Krishna, he always remains in Vrindavan. In the same way, Mahaprabhu always stay in Navadvip Dham. Because Mahaprabhu performed sweet Leela 48 years. 24 years he performed, that is called household Leela. Yes, another 24 years he performed sannyas. The Gaudiya Vaishnavi, that is this mood, the Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu always saying in Vrindavan. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu always saying in Navadvip. And Navadvip Dham Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is staying, this form his long hair and staying there. Or when he took sannyas, that time he shaved his head and hair, Mastak Mandana, shaved his head and his. That lila also is called Naimittik. Understand? So we worship Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, this Nitya Lila, Navadvip Dham, Nitya Lila, that is called Vrindavan. For this regard, in our all Gaudiya Math, you can see Mahaprabhu is long hair and staying. So Mahaprabhu is showing this is very important. So Gaura Lila is because though Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifests his highest form in Babur, that is called Raya Ramananda, bank of Godavari. Rasaraj Mahabhav. Hasi Prabhu Tari Dikhailo Rasaraj Mahabhav. This Rasaraj Mahabhav Sarup, that is called Bhajanandana Samsunda. Krishna is called Rasaraj. Srimati Radhika is called Mahabhav. Now Rasaraj Mahabhav combined form of Sachinandana Prabhu. So Rairamanda also he told, Prathame Dekhili Tuman Sannyas Desh. Then first I saw your sannyas form. Then I saw your Krishna form, very nice, beautiful, three-band fall, and also playing fruits, smiling face, the Trivanga Lalit. Then I saw also one very nice, beautiful young girl, and that young girl, her complexion completely had repeated the beauty of the molten gold. Then I saw that Krishna, Trivanga Krishna, then completely covered with that young girl, her complexion. Then so far the Rairamanda he asked, who is you and who is you? That time Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, Krishna, Srimati Radhika, her continuous nature, Brajendra Nandane Vina Nahi Porsche Annajan. Srimati Radhika's continuous nature, she does not touch an other incarnation of Krishna except Vrindavan Sam. So the Vrindavan Vina Yoho Nahi Porsche Annajan. Srimati Radhika, she only accepts Vrindavan Sam. So that time Radhamandir told Prabhu, you told me, you originally who are you? That time Chaitanya Mahaprabhu tried to cheating words. Paya Mayavadi Sannasi, then finally, when Radhamandir Prabhu don't cheat, then Hasi Prabhu Tari Dikhailo Rasaraj Mahabhav. That means Krishna completely was covered with the complexion of Srimati Radha.
Say some Srimati Radha.
So that is called Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Radha Bhavo Duti Subalita. Naumi Krishna. So Radha Bhav and Duti. That means Krishna, he took Srimati Radhika's mood and her complexion. That is called Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Janandan Gauriya. So in our Gauriya Vaishnavas, they worship Vajanandan Samsundar Krishna. This is to be Aradho Bhagavan Brajajitana Tadhamam Vrindavanam Brahma Kachi Pasana Brajaguru Varjana Vikalpika Srimad Bhagavatam Praman Amalam Prema Kumartuma Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Rumatamidam Tatradaru Navaraha. Our Aradha De Vajanandan Samsundar. And he is abode that is called Vrindavan. And how would worship Vajanandan Samsundar? Now, same mood of Braj Gopis Parakya mood. Braj Gopis Parakya mood. Then Gopis Paramud mood. And this Paramud mood manifested in spotless Quran, Srimad Bhagavatam. Amala Puranam Srimad Bhagavatam Praman Bolam Prem Amor Pramartama. And Srimad Bhagavatam in this way to declare the Srimati Radhika's highest paramur mood. So that means Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is called, is none different from divine couple Radha and Krishna. So Navadip Krishna, Navadip Chandra, Sachidananda Gaudhari. This is our worship. Because Navadip Dham is none different from Vrindavan. Jagannath Puri, though Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested his highest mood in Gambhira Jagannath Puri. But Jagannath Puri is not Vrindavan. Jagannath Puri, that is called the part of Dwarka. So, when you deeply analyze the Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested his three dhamas. One is called Babur, that is called Raramanda's place. The bank of Godavari. Or second, Gambhira in Jagannath Puri. Or third, Navadip Dham. Or Navadip Dham is not even Vrindavan. So Vrindavan, so for this regard, Navadip Chandra Sachidananda Gaudhari is our worship. Because he is not different from Krishna. So we Antar Krishna, Vahir Gaura. Inside is the Krishna. And or Bahir outside, that is called fresh complexion. Antar Krishna, Vahir Gaura. So our Ishtadev is Sachidananda Gaudhari, Navadip Chandra. Navadip Leela, very sweet Leela. Yes. So, you think Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, after taking sannyas, then he manifests a Mahabhav Prakash in Gambhira or bank of Godavari, that place. But this place, this Sachidananda Gaudhari, this Leela, Navadip Leela, is none different from Vrindavan. Madhurya Leela. Or Gambhira, or I don't know the place, that is not Madhurya, some opulence area. So for this regard, Navadip Chandra is our Istadev.
Ele é a nossa divindade adorável.
Eh? And that lila is called Nitya
E
Lila.
essa lila é Nitya Lila.
Or
Gambira.
Gambhira. Eh? Other lila, that is called
Lila relação.
Naimittik.
Naimittik Lila.
Eh? Because already I told Krishna two types of lila. Nitya Lila and it is called
Nitya Lila e
Naimittik Lila. Krishna Nitya Lila, that is called Vrindavan Lila. That is called Nitya Lila. And Aprakat Guru Vrindavan. Eh? That's it. Krishna always very beautiful, beautiful form.
Sempre tem uma forma muito bela de
Eh?
falar.
Krishna, he was staying in Vrindavan
Ficou em Vrindavan
10 years,
por 10
8
anos.
months.
huh?
8 months.
8 months. About 11 years he was staying.
Quase 11 anos.
Then he left Vrindavan to Mathura,
Ele deixou Vrindavan e foi
Mathura
para
to
Mathura,
coming
Mathura
in
ele foi para
Dwarkapuri,
Dwarkapuri,
Dwarkapuri to coming in Kurukshetra. Then after Kurukshetra, again he returned back to Dwarkapuri.
depois ele foi para
Then
Dwarkapuri,
after Dwarkapuri,
depois de Dwarkapuri,
then Krishna did very nice Mosal Lila, Munsiharan Lila, this katha is there.
Maharshi Bharan Lila.
Eh? Then Krishna departed from this
Aí,
material world.
Krishna partiu desse mundo.
This is the Srimad Bhagavatam.
Isso
As it
está
is.
escrito no Srimad Bhagavatam.
Right. But Krishna's Aprakat Golok Vrindavan, Vrindavan Lila, that's called Nitya Lila. That's called Madhurya Lila. Madhurya Lila means
Lila quer dizer
that Lord manifests his opulence or not. When he performs all his activities, human being, that Lila is called Madhurya
essa
Lila.
lila é Madhurya Lila.
Right? And what is the meaning of Madhurya Lila?
Madhurya Lila.
There are two kinds of lila. One is called Madhurya Lila, one is called
Aishwarya Lila.
Aishwarya Lila, opulence. Madhurya Lila means where Krishna perform his human being activities.
Ser humano.
That Lila is called Madhurya
Essa
Lila.
lila é Madhurya Lila.
Opulence manifest or not,
Se tem opulência ou
but
não,
when he performs all his activity human being, that Lila is called Madhurya Lila.
Madhurya Lila.
And Aishwarya Lila,
Agora a história Lila,
where Lord
quando
manifests
o Senhor
his
manifesta
opulence.
sua opulência.
Yes. And everybody is afraid from him
Todos têm
and
medo
paying his
de
obeisance.
suas reverências.
Yes. So that is called
Essa
Aishwarya
lila é a
Lila.
história Lila.
Krishna performed his Madhurya Lila in Vrindavan.
Realiza sua Madhurya Lila em Vrindavan.
Yes. Though Krishna manifests many Aishwarya is there, opulence is there. Where? In Vrindavan. Krishna lifted Giriraj Govardhan 7 days, 7 nights. This is opulence, Aishwarya. Because human being cannot do this.
Os seres humanos não podem fazer isso.
Yes. Human being come to raise his hand 7 days, 7 nights and lifted
Levantando uma mão
and
para
his Giriraj
a
Govardhan.
autoridade do Govardhan.
Eh? But Krishna,
Mas Krishna,
he lifted Giriraj
ele
Govardhan
levantou
7
o
days,
Govardhan
7 nights.
7 dias e 7 noites.
Eh? This is Aishwarya, this is
Isso
opulence.
não é história, isso é...
But Vrajavasi, they don't believe
Brajavasis não acreditam
Krishna is
que
Bhagavan.
Krishna é Bhagavan.
Vrajavasis, they are in their heart one kind of impression,
Eles têm
sanskar.
impressão, sanskar.
The Krishna is our family.
Krishna, ele é membro da nossa família.
Lokik Sadbandhu Priti. What is it called?
Lokik
Lokik Sadbandhu Priti. They have love and affection
Eles têm
with
amor e
Krishna
afeição por
as like they are
um membro
families.
da própria família.
Lokik Sadbandhu. Kandhi Chari, Kandhi Chari. Sometimes Subal Siddham, they grab on the shoulder of Krishna.
Sobem nos ombros de Krishna.
Yes? And sometimes Krishna also
Krishna também.
grabs in the shoulder of Subal Siddham.
Ele monta nos ombros de Subal
And sometimes Subal Siddham, they also give their own remnants to Krishna.
para Krishna.
Eh? Huh? Which is the remnants. They are
Krishna quer dizer os próprios remanentes.
eh? Except Braj, no one can give remnants
Pode
to
dar seus próprios
Krishna.
remanentes.
Eh? Though Krishna's many Leelas is there, many incarnations.
Lilas, muitas encarnações.
Eh? Ramchandra, Ram Lila is also nice, sweet Lila. But any devotee of Ayodhya, they can't give their remnants to Ramchandra. And Ramchandra always is very serious, Gambhir. Bhagavat. And Vrindavan Sundar Krishna Vrindavan is always very jolly. Jolly, understand? What do you mean jolly?
Playful.
Pala.
Playful, very happy.
Playful mood, smiling face,
Always happy.
always happy. Even in Vrindavan, Krishna did not hold any weapons to kill the demon. He did not hold any weapon.
Ele não segurou nenhuma arma.
Just playing with his friends, then
Ele só brincava com seus
he
amigos.
kills many
Assim ele
demons.
matou muitos demônios.
Bakasur, Putana, Putana, all. So this lila is called
Essa lila
Madhurja.
é madura ali.
In the same way,
Da mesma maneira,
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu
Mahaprabhu,
lila in Navadvip lila also Madhurja.
Mahaprabhu,
Though Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifest his opulence, this is true.
Mahaprabhu tem manifestado sua
É?
opulência,
But his lila is become Madhurja.
a sua lila é madura ali.
He joked the young girls.
Ele brincou com as jovens.
Their young girls in Navadvip Dham,
Jovens
they
levam
worship
elas
Shivji.
adoram
Shiv,
Shivaji.
understand? Shiv Chaturdashi. Shiv Chaturdashi, understand? Young girls, they worship
Nesse dia, as jovens
Shivji.
estavam ali pelas
or
adorações.
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Nimai.
E o Chaitanya Mahaprabhu
É.
Nimai,
He goes that place
ele vai até
and
esse local,
also taking all the paraphernalia of Shiv
pega
Puja.
toda a parafernália que é
Taking
pra
all the paraphernalia of Shiv. And seated in there and
Ele
saying,
sentou no local
hey,
e disse,
why
"Ei,
you worship
vocês estão adorando
Shivji?
Shivji.
What benefit you will get?
Que benefício você vai conseguir disso?
You worship to me.
Tem que me adorar.
Are Shiv, Durga, all they are my
Durga, todos eles
servant.
são
Ama
meus
puja, ami দিব বর। শিব Durga Maheshwar আমার কিঙ্কর। Nimai he told.
Nimai, ele disse,
Durga,
Durga,
Kali, Shiv, they are my
eles
servant.
são os meus servos.
And worship to me.
Eles me adoram.
And taking their all paraphernalia, worship.
E aí eles
Shiv
me
paraphernalia,
adoram
then
para
take.
adorar o Senhor.
Then some young girls they
E aí
ran.
alguns jovens saíram correndo.
Understand? And then Chaitanya Nimai also saying, hey, you will not worship to
Ei, se
me.
você não me adorar,
Then you will marry
você vai
with
casar com
old
ugly
old person, well, ugly
pessoa
man.
muito velha e feia,
Understand? And toothless people.
sem dente. Onde
Understand? But there are toothless people have Father.
onde ela, por exemplo.
Then some young girls they also afraid. Then again they return back.
E aí aquelas jovens ficaram com medo e aí
Some people
voltaram.
Nimai what he's saying, maybe they will
Pensaram assim, né? Voltaram e falaram.
So they return back and again worship Chaitanya
Aí elas
Mahaprabhu.
adoraram o Senhor Mahaprabhu.
In this way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu then in Nimai, he performs sweet lila in Navadvip. Same Krishna lila
Mesma Krishna ali.
in Vrindavan.
Verdade.
Sometimes in Nimai, he used to come in the in the stable of the Ganges.
Ele ia até
For the Brahmanas, they are taking bath. After taking bath, they are chanting Gayatri Mantra, Brahma Gayatri Mantra. And Nimai, small baby Nimai, maybe 5-6 years old Nimai. Then he also used to come in that the step of the Ganges and taking water and throwing their mouth. Then they become very angry. Hey, Why do you do the split?
Ele colocou
The
a
water
boca dele e cuspiu na boca do
in
cara.
our body.
E os alunos falaram, "Mas
They are very contaminated.
na gente,
Eh?
no nosso corpo,
If you
agora
split,
contaminado,
if you
acabou de
split
se banhar, né?
the water,
Se
anybody
cuspir água
cloth, there is
na
contaminated.
roupa de alguém, isso não vai
Yes.
estar contaminado.
But Mahaprabhu, the Nimai is doing this lila.
Ele está realizando essa lei.
Very restless boy. At the
Ele
same
era muito inquieto,
and Krishna lila is there.
assim como em Krishna.
So Navadip all lila you can see same
Então, na
Krishna
Vadita,
lila is
você vai
going to
ver
be.
que é
Chanchal
paralela,
Bala.
assim como em Krishna.
And our simultaneously Mahaprabhu also manifested his opulence. Then Brahmanas, they also
Aí os
complained to
brahmanas, eles reclamaram, né?
Jagannath Mishra. He was trying also disturbed
Filho,
our
tá perturbando,
understand. We are chanting Gayatri Mantra,
está ali
taking
fazendo
vow,
mantra, se banhando.
but your son
Mas o
disturbed
filho
to us.
nos perturba.
Then Jagannath Mishra is taking one stick
Aí Jagannath
and
Mishra
try to
pega uma
beat
vara,
Nimai.
bater em Nimai.
And when coming to the Nimai, they say, no, I did not go there.
Foi isso, eu não fiz isso,
É?
eu fui lá.
Opulence or no? Nimai, you can say the same
E aí Nimai,
and small baby Krishna. 6-7 years Krishna. Nimai. Dry fish. And also some ink in his mouth. But if would I go to the Ganges and taking water, bathing,
tomado banho.
so here is the
Então,
ink
por que teria essa
mark is
sujeira,
there.
essa tinta na minha
And my
cara?
body is completely
Corpo molhado, não
dry.
sujo.
Then Jagannath Mishra,
E aí Jagannath
surprised.
Mishra,
Is it true or not?
isso é verdade ou não?
This is logical. So in this way,
Dessa maneira,
Nimai, apart from also opulence is
ele
there.
realiza também,
But though this opulence,
mesmo que tenha opulência,
this opulence
essa
completely
opulência é
covered
totalmente
with
coberta
sweetness and
pela
madhurya.
doçura, madura.
So Mahaprabhu's, that means Nimai, Mahaprabhu's lila in Navadip lila,
Isso quer dizer que a
also
lila
is called
Nimai,
madhurya.
na Vadita Lila, ela é madhurya.
But another also this thing is Krishna lila, two kinds. Krishna lila is called Vrindavan Dham or
Vrindavan Dham,
Vrindavan Chandra Krishna is called
Krishna,
Madhurya Pradhan Udarya. What did he say?
Madhurya Pradhan,
Madhurya is prominent.
Madhurya é prominente.
Udarja, that is Udarja means magnanimity. That is called second time.
É secundário.
Or Mahaprabhu Navadip Lila,
Na Vadita Lila,
Udarja Pradhan Madhurya. What did he say? Udarja Pradhan Madhurya. Udarja, that is called prominent.
dizer que a Udarya magnanimidade é prominente.
Or Madhurya, that is called second time. So saying this, Udarja Pradhan Madhurya.
Chama Udarya
É.
Pradhan Madhurya.
Just the difference.
Essa é a diferença.
Huh? What is that?
O que é isso?
Yeah. Now first try to understand Krishna's Udarja Pradhan, Madhurya Pradhan, Udarja. Krishna he performed sweet lila in Vrindavan. Eh? He lifted the Raj Govardhan, he danced on the horse of Kaliya, eh? And he performed sweet lila, all lila in Vrindavan. Eh? And he also distributed the prem to all the residents of Braj. Eh? Krishna Suma's love and affection with Brajavasis. Eh? Oh Vaggo, Mo Vaggo, Nanda Gopo, Brijukusam, Janmitram Paramanandam, Purna Brahmo, Sanatan. Brahmaji recited the vow.
Alguém recitou esse verso.
Brajavasi, they are great virtue. Especially Subal, Siddham, Nanda, Jasoda, Radha, Lalita. Eh? So they, because they make friendship with
Eles
Krishna.
têm amizade.
As like they are
com
families.
Krishna. Krishna é
Eh?
bem ligado.
And Krishna performs sweet lila in there.
Fazendo
Vrindavan.
uma língua muito doce lá empregado.
Oho Vaggo, Moho Vaggo, Nanda Gopo, Brijukusam, Janmitram Paramananda, Purna Brahmo, Sanatan. Brahmaji recited it.
Brahmaji recitou
Very
esse
sweet
verso.
lila. But Krishna,
Mas
he
Krishna,
distributed this prem,
ele distribui esse
Braja
prêmio,
prem.
Braja prêmio,
Fire. Only inside
somente
Vrindavan, not outside of
não
Vrindavan.
para fora de Vrindavan.
You understand? Krishna distributed this prem.
Krishna distribui esse
Fire.
Onde?
In Vrindavan.
Em Vrindavan.
Then Krishna embraced
Krishna
all the trees
abraçou todas as
of
árvores
Vrindavan.
de Vrindavan.
Then, so Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, Vrindavane Jato Torulata Sakha Sakhigan. All the trees of Vrindavan,
Todas as árvores de Vrindavan
they are as like Krishna's friends.
são assim como os
All
amigos
the
de
creepers of Vrindavan, they are called Krishna. They are called Krishna's Sakhi.
todas as
So
trepadoras de Vrindavan são
Vrindavane
massacres de
Jato Torulata Gan. Then Sakha Sakhigan. So in Vrindavan,
Vrindavan.
Krishna, he distributed this prem
Distribuiu esse prema
where?
onde? Inside of that.
Inside of Vrindavan, not outside of
Dentro de
Vrindavan.
Vrindavan, não por fora de Vrindavan.
In Mathura, Dwaraka,
Mathura, Dwarka,
then he killed the
Ele
demon,
matou
or Oisarja Bhava.
os demônios, põe-se
Eh?
o outro de
Always
Aishwarya,
manifested
ele
four
está
arms,
presente, sempre
especially
com 4 braços,
Dwaraka
4
or
braços,
Mathura,
especialmente em Dwarka,
Eh?
Mathura,
4 arms.
normalmente 4
Then,
braços.
our Vrindavan,
Agora em Vrindavan,
Krishna manifested
Krishna
is
manifesta
Dibhuj
a
Muralidhara.
forma de Dúdya Muralidhara,
Eh?
2 braços segurando
Dibhuj Muralidhara Syama Sundar. Jatira Abhantare Dibhuj Muralidhara Syama Sundar. Mathura and Dwaraka Krishna did not manifest
Krishna não manifestou
his Madhurya.
a sua madura,
Manifested what is
manifestou o que?
Aishwarya, Bhagavatam.
Aí ela não pôde
Eh? And Mathura Vrindavan, Mathura and Dwaraka.
Mathura e Dwarka,
That Krishna
Krishna
did not hold
não segurava uma
Arjuna. Flute.
flauta,
Or no?
então
Peacock.
ele segurava uma flauta
Para
e uma
Vrindavan,
pena de pavão, isso aqui.
Krishna.
Vrindavan,
Or a Tribhanga Lalita.
está sempre curvado entre
Eh?
as partes.
Syama Sundara Sikhanda Sekhara Smarahasa Murali Manohara. Radhika Radhika Rasika Mang Kripanide Sapriya Charana Kirtaya. Dibhuj Muralidhara Vrindavan. And prevent
essa forma,
Peacock.
curvado em 3 partes, com a pena de pavão,
Eh?
sempre flauta.
Or full Murali. Murali. Or Mathura or Dwaraka.
Flauta Murali.
No peacock feather.
Dwarka não tem,
Or no
ele só abaixa a pessoa. Ah, ok.
no peacock feather or no float. So Vrindavan Krishna.
Então, Krishna de Vrindavan,
In this way Krishna distributed the prem in Vrindavan.
mas ele distribuiu esse prêmio aí em Vrindavan.
But so this lila is called Madhurya. Navadvip Chandra Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he distributed this prem inside Vrindavan, outside Vrindavan and everywhere.
Todas as partes.
You understand? And he did not discriminate who is qualified
Não tem qualificado que não é qualificado.
or who is unqualified. Jare dekhe tare den prema bilaya. This is called Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's magnanimity.
Essa é a máquina
Magnificent and magnanimity. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Sajanandani Gaurhari, he did not discriminate who is qualified or who is unqualified. Jare dekhe tare den prema bilaya. Even some 6 types of people, they are very arrogant.
Eles eram muito arrogantes.
They don't want to receive Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mercy. Particular Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also chasing behind to them. And also cut their choti and also give them. This is called munificent and magnanimity by force.
A magnanimidade, a beneficência que Santo Mahaprabhu.
And another thing,
E
Krishna, because we have already compared with Krishna Lila and Gaur Lila. Udar with Madhurya Lila and Udar Lila. This is very important. Krishna, he killed many demons
são muitos demônios.
with his weapons.
Com as suas armas.
As like Mathura, Dwaraka, he held many weapons and killed many
Ele
demons.
matou vários demônios.
But Krishna
Mas,
in Vrindavan,
Krishna brindava.
and he did not hold any
Ele não
weapons.
segurou nenhuma arma.
He killed many demons. Is it true? As like Putana, Sakarasur, Trinavarta, Adhasur, Bakasur, he killed.
Ele matou.
But
Ah,
he killed to them and
matou
sent
eles.
only
Enviou
Vaikuntha.
eles pra Vaikuntha.
Except Putana.
Além de Putana,
And most of the demons
a
they
maior parte dos demônios
attend to
já
Vaikuntha.
alcançaram Vaikuntha.
And Putana Mokshan Lila. Putana only
Só
he
ela
got special
recebeu
mercy.
uma misericórdia especial.
And oh, here it comes. Aho Bakiyam Stanakala Putam. Vidhan Sappa. Pasadi. Leve Dhadra Chuttam Tato Annam Kamba Dayalu Saranam Prajim. Krishna, 6 days baby Krishna.
Krishna tinha só 6 dias de vida.
He killed Putana
Ele matou Putana.
and sent her soul
A alma
in
dela pra
Golo
Golô.
and made Sarva Mother
Uma
Vasudha.
serva de manhã toda.
Not Gokul, but sent him Golo
Não é pra Goku.
and the made Sarva Mother Vasudha. But he killed Putana Sarva.
Mas ele matou aquele
É?
povo, Putana Sharia.
And Putana Sarva. Putana Sarva is there.
Desde que é Putana
Krishna,
Sharia,
he killed the body of Putana.
matou o corpo de
Then his soul
E a alma dela
going Golok
foi
and
pra
the made
Golô.
Sarva Mother
Se tornou uma
Vasudha.
serva de
Mother
Deus.
Vasudha. Tatru Chita Tato Annam Kamba Dayalum Saranam Brajema. That is only for exceptional case we can see
Esse
only
é o caso
Putana.
excepcional, que é o caso de Putana.
Eh? But in Mahaprabhu's Leela,
Mas na lei de Mahaprabhu,
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he did not hold any
ele não
weapons.
segurou nenhuma arma.
Ram Adi Avatare Prodhenana Astra Dhare. Ebe Astra na dharilo, prane karo, na marilo, Harinam Diya Harila Sudha. In the incarnation of Gaura Avatar,
Goro, Goro Avatar.
then he did not kill anyone.
Não matou ninguém.
Jagai Madhai,
Jagai Madai.
Jagadananda Bandhavadhyay, Madhavananda Bandhavadhyay. And they were complete, what is called? Alcohol. Alcoholists. Okay. Alcohol and drinking alcohol. And gaja bhang. And also they did many also stupid nonsense things.
Eles faziam muitas coisas estúpidas e tolas.
Understand? But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu
Mas o Senhor Jesus
did not
Mahaprabhu
kill their body.
não matou o corpo dele.
But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu purified their heart.
Mahaprabhu purificou o coração dele.
Understand? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu first he become very angry, very hard.
Quando ele
Ye
ouviu
Jagai Madha they
Jagai Madai,
attacked to Nityananda
atacaram
Prabhu.
Nityananda Prabhu.
And also Nityananda Prabhu's
Nityananda Prabhu
blood coming from his
estava sangrando.
forehead.
Tinha sangue saindo de sua testa.
When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu heard Nimai heart beating, then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came
Mas quando ele
Grande.
viu isso, ele veio correndo
coming towards Nityananda.
em direção a Nityananda Prabhu.
Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu completely absorbed in the mood of Narayana.
No mood de Narayana.
And he
Ele
called
chamou a sua
out, loudly called out.
bem alto.
Chakra, 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 Sudarshan Chakra.
Chakra, Sudarshan
Sudarshan Chakra coming.
Chakra. Sudarshan Chakra estava
Then
vindo.
Nityananda Prabhu, he hold the beautiful Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Nityananda Prabhu told Prabhu,
Nityananda Prabhu disse, Prabhu,
in your incarnation Gaura Avatar, already you took vow.
fez essa promessa.
In this incarnation of Gaura, you will not hold any
Não vai segurar nenhuma arma.
weapons. Saying this. Ram Adi Avatare Pradhenana Astra Dhare. Eve Astra Na Dharila Prani Karo Na Mari. Understand? So when Nityananda Prabhu told Prabhu, already you took vow in the incarnation of your Gaura.
A sua encarnação
Gaura
Gaura
Avatar.
Avatar,
You will not hold any weapon. You will not kill anyone.
não vai matar ninguém.
Please give
favor,
mercy to them.
dê misericórdia para eles.
Yes. Then when Nityananda Prabhu hold to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and
Ele
said,
logo de Mahaprabhu e disse essas coisas.
then Mahaprabhu's heart,
Mahaprabhu, o coração deles derreteu.
then Sudan Chakra,
Esse Darshan Chakra
yes,
return.
returned back.
Voltou.
Yes. Look this. This is also Oisarja.
Isso também é Ishvara.
Eh?
Também é o
You call Swarsam coming or
Não,
not?
se o Darshan Chakra está vindo,
Because you are not Bhagavan.
você não é Bhagavan.
You are not Narayan.
Você não é
Eh?
Narayana.
You understand? People are saying I am Narayan, I am
Pessoas
Bhagavan.
falam,
We
"Sou
call
Narayana, sou
Sudan
Bhagavan."
Chakra.
Então chama Sudarshan para ver se ela
Why do you Sudan Chakra?
Cadê o Sudarshan Chakra?
Or Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that is called Gaura Narayan. What is it called?
Gaura Narayana.
Yeah? Gaura Sundar. When he called Chakra San Chakra.
Ele chamou o Sudarshan Chakra, ela estava
Eh?
vindo.
Look. But he did not kill. So
Mas
saying
ele não matou ninguém.
Ram Adi Avatari Pradhanatha, in the incarnation of Ram, Krishna,
Encarnação de Rama e Krishna.
and he killed many demons with his
demônios.
weapons. So saying Ram Adi Avatari Pradhanana Astra Dhare, Ebe Astra na Dhirilo, Pranikaru na Marilo, Harinam Diya Kalila Sura. And Chaitanya
Aí
Mahaprabhu.
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
You have to go, no? Huh? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Lila is this.
Mahaprabhu, essa é a lila dele.
He did not hold any. But he purified the heart, all the
Mas ele
living
purificou o
souls.
coração de toda a identidade.
Especially in Navadvip,
Também,
Jagai Madai.
Lila de Agai Madai.
They completely surrendered to the feet of
Renderam completamente aos pés lá.
Nityananda Prabhu.
Veterano Prabhu.
And they received the mercy of
E
Gauri
eles receberam
Nityananda and purified their life.
o coração deles.
Jagai Madai bole ar Nareba. Jagai Madai bole, Jagadananda Bandhavadaya Madhavananda. Bole from today
Eles
will
disseram,
not
"A partir
commit
de hoje,
any
não vai se meter
sin.
mais nenhum pecado.
पाप नहीं करेंगे. Will not drink alcohol, not drink what is called ganja,
Não
pan,
vai
stupid nonsense. That's good.
fazer nenhuma coisa.
Saying this one, and chanting Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna consciousness means this.
Isso é a
How
consciência
will
de
we
Krishna.
purify our heart?
Consciência de Krishna
How will we purify our heart?
purificar o nosso coração.
Enrolling chanting of the
Cantar
Lord.
os santos nomes constantemente.
If you not chant holiness, how purpose will your heart will be pure?
Como é que seu coração vai se purificar?
Huh? Understand?
Tá entendendo?
Because Kalistan is there.
Porque
4
existem
places of Kali.
locais onde Kali reside.
How many places of Kali?
Quantos locais Kali
4.
reside?
Then 5th place coming.
E tem o quinto local também.
What the 5th place?
Gold.
What the first 4th place of Kalistan? Dutam Panam Striya Suna. Jatra Dharma Chaturvidha. Punascha Jacho Manaya. Kali he Parikshit Kali Maharaj. He told, this is Kali Yuga, this is
Essa é a Kali Yuga.
my
Age.
and age. Understand? This is my place.
Então, essa é a era que eu vivo.
So if you kick out from me, where I will
Se
go?
me mandar embora daqui, pra onde eu vou?
You understand? When Parikshit Maharaj, he told, no, you cannot stay
Não,
here.
você não pode ficar aqui.
Then Kali
E aí,
Maharaj, he completely surrendered
se rendeu.
lotus feet
Completamente
of
aos pés lá dos Parikshit Maharaj.
Parikshit Maharaj. Well, where you will
Pra
go?
onde eu vou agora, então?
So they will, okay, you will give me 4
Tá
places.
bom, me dê quatro lugares pra
Kali, he is saying in which place? How many place?
Four.
First 4 place. Dutam,
Então,
where is the Dutam means those who are playing the
gambling.
gambling.
Então,
And
é de onde
this
os
gambling.
jogos de azar.
That is the place of the Kali Maharaj.
É um local de Kali
Dutam.
Maharaj.
Panam, where the drinking,
Intoxication.
alcohol or the other thing. That is called Panam.
Intoxica.
Even Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada also saying if you drink the tea, this is also place of Kali Maharaj.
Também é um local de Kali Maharaj.
Understand? Dutam Panam. Stri means what is called? Kala.
Illicit association.
And illicit association of the marriage. And illegal sex. That is called the place of Kali Maharaj.
Também local de Kali Maharaj.
Asuna means Jiv Himsa,
Suna quer dizer
killing the and others living in
matar os animais.
and living entities. That is the place of Kali Maharaj.
Esses são os locais de Kali
Eh?
Maharaj.
So Srimad Bhagavata gives
Mas
evidence.
vamos andar de...
This verse is very important.
Isso é muito importante.
Then Kali Maharaj, Parikshit Maharaj gave him the fourth place.
Maharaj deu esses 4 locais.
Then again asked to go give me another place to
Tem
me.
mais local para mim.
Punascha Jacha Mane. Then Kali Maharaj asked to give me another place. Well, what do you want?
Local. Qual?
Eh? Give me gold. Where the gold? Kali will come.
Onde tem ouro, Kali Maharaj.
Understand? Where is gold? Kali will come. Eh? If you are gold, thief, jacket, attack you.
Ladrão, ele vai te atacar.
Eh?
Bandido.
Or if you have no gold,
Agora, se você não tem ouro,
thief not attack you.
o ladrão não vai te atacar.
Eh? This is the thing. Kali is Kali means, I try to understand what is the meaning of Kali.
Significado de Kali.
Kalaham lahati iti Kali. Where is that quarrel is come?
Existem brigas.
Quarreling. This is your, this is mine.
Isso é seu, isso é meu.
Eh? That is called Kali.
Esse é o local onde
The
Kali
place
está.
of
Local
Kali.
de Kali.
So, Chaitanya, and now coming in this way, but Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
Mas o Senhor Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
his magnanimity and munificent, he delivered all the living entities.
libertou todos os
So his Naam
meio
Sankirtan.
de Nama Sankirtan.
Eh? Because in the Kali Yuga,
Essa é a Kali Yuga.
Kali Yuga Naam Sankirtan. Krishna Varnam Kisa Krishna Sango Banga Bhakta Bhadri Jaggai Sankirtanam Prare Jajante Hi Krishna Varnam Kisa Krishna Sango Banga Bhakta Bhadri Jaggai Sankirtana Prare Jajante Hi Sumedasa. Those who are sober persons, intelligent persons, they can understand his Adivasi Chula. When they can understand who is Bhagavan. Krishna Varnadayam iti Krishna. Krishna Varnadayam Radhati Jasa iti Krishna. And Krishna Varna. You understand? Varna means letter. Or Varna means complexion. Both meaning. Krishna Varnam Sita Krishna. But in this Kali Yuga, who is Bhagavan Krishna? Now he is one who always chanting Krishna Nama, his own name. Krishna Varnata. Krishna. You understand? This level two level. Kri and Krishna. Only when he chanting Krishna, Krishna, Krishna Varna. Eh? Or Krishna, he chants his own name. Krishna Varna. Tisa or Krishna. How do you know he is Bhagavan? Krishna. Now he is now Kali Yuga. Same Krishna. His complexion of Krishna. Of Krishna means eh?
Not dark.
Not dark complexion. His complexion is called fresh complexion. Gaulva. Eh? Krishna Varnam Tisa. And Sango Pango Parshadam. So Anga, he comes with his own limbs of body. Eh? They get Nityananda Prabhu and Advaita Acharya. And Upanga, that is Srivastava. Parshad, his own associates, that is called Gadadhar Pandit, Rupa Goswami Pa, Radha Goswami. Eh? Eh?
Sangopanga Astra Parshad.
Pardon? Sango Pango,
Astra Parshad.
Sango Pango, Astra. What is Astra? Harinam. Namastra.
Harinam.
Nam Astra. In this Kali Yuga, no any Sudarshan Chakra, not others. He always has Nam, Harinam. Namastra, that is called Nama Astra. What is the weapon of Lord Kali Yuga? Nam, Harinam. जैसे संग पांग अस्त्र पार्षदम जग्गई संकीर्तन प्राणी जजंते in Kali Yuga, Nam Sankirtan. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. So Kali this is Nam Sankirtan. In this Nam Sankirtan Japa, then you can purify your heart and attain simple. When they say Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he purified the heart of all the living entities and distributed the highest praise, not Vaikuntha praise, not Ajodhya, Dwaraka, Mathura, Golok. He distributed Golok, Vrindavan. Even in Vrindavan, not on the Dasya Sabka, Vatsal and he has distributed the Madhurja. Even in Madhurja, Gopis Prem he distributed. Even the Gopis Prem, that is called Srimati Radhika is very nearly there. That is called Manjari Bhava Mahaprabhu distributed. But this guy not with the Charing Chira, Koruna Adirna Kalu, Samarpayatu, Unnata Ujjavasan, Savakti, Parihi Purasanta Viti Katam Sandhipita, Sada Hidaya Kamtari Suratva, Jai Sachidananda Garu. Whoa! Everybody come. Those who take and go back.
Aqueles que pegarem devem ir para trás para dar espaço para os outros.
Because long time you are sitting front.
E alguém cai uma carteira. Uma carteira.
Sometimes you go back also.
Carteira. Carteira.
Oh, this guy, this is take pictures.
Tá com a câmera aí?
É quem tá cuidando da câmera.
Chuta, é da Chuta.
Pegou, Camão?
Peguei. Finalizando.
Queria bala. Não. Peso encravado.
Cadê a Chuta? Ah, tá ali,
E aí, você fala mal.
Não trouxe, tu tem?
Deixa eu ver.
Até no meio do devocional parece que está condicionado.
Olha lá, não chega no Brasil. Tem mais anos que São Paulo.
Mas tem trânsito porque tem tiroteio.
Eu acho que eu devo ter dado um pulinho.
Tá gravando?
Ajuda aí, aperta aí.